and just about what you plan to do about this in the future.
No, actually, I've been aware about the Rare Disease Day and the the lysosome deficiency syndrome situation from 2012 now, about 3 years, and the day I came in, that day it was a revelation to me that such a situation does exist, and it's a genetic disorder that people are born with, little children are born with, and but I must say that from that day and now, after in 2 years, I see a lot of development. I see a lot of not just the doctors coming together, but a lot of help coming in from pharmaceutical companies from abroad. Of course, it's a very expensive and a very expensive in the sense that you need it through your life. So it's a lot of expense for a parent to be able to take on by themselves. And as much as they want to, they are probably not in the condition to do that. So creating awareness, and again, like they said, that the government, and this I've heard for even other causes like hemophilia, thalassemia, where they find if the numbers aren't too many, you can't get a subsidy, you can't get a medical thing passed for it. So we'll have to keep making personal and solid attempts and trying to get something through for this, because it's not just one or two children. At the end of the day, if you collect an All India report, you're almost 60,000 children now in this situation. So even though in percentage it's a very small percent, but in the numbers there's still quite a few. And so there are wonderful parents like Singh Saab, who I've met both his boys. They are fine gentlemen now, and but they're dealing with this day in, day out. So it's a tough situation, and I, on my part, I have certain NGOs that I've been working with on other issues, be it anti-smoking or other things. So I'll try and see if I can put things together. And we almost got somewhere last time, but the link kind of broke out. Certain people they were going through a personal situation, so they couldn't follow it up. But hopefully we'll be able to do it this time. And you can't make promises really, which is totally wrong. But just the fact that changes are already starting off. The doctors are doing such great work for them. We have to get the government and corporate section to come together, come forward, and it's actually just a drop in the ocean for them, and it'll make such a big difference to so many parents and so many children's lives. Yeah. Treatment is required. Who are registered? Yeah. At the moment, just 500 have been registered with their association, so with their society. So these 500 children are